want a good deal, you got a good deal. You look right here, you see what you need. Up, we got the Losi B100 1972 Chevy C10 for only $149. That's crazy. With features like waterproof electronics, locked rear drive, ABS shaft-driven drivetrain, LED lights, performance street tires, ES, blah, blah, and yeah, look at it, it's tight looking. All-wheel drive, shaft-driven system. This is a 110 all-wheel drive road car. Come check it out. Here's some footage of my V100 in the skate park. Next up, we got the Kosha 110 two-wheel drive Outlaw Rampage. This is an almost ready to run kit that's fully all assembled. Ball bearings, double wishbone suspension. It's a good-looking machine, wouldn't you say? And all this for just how much? How much is it? What? $218. You take the body, baby.